Have you ever felt like you're running on a hamster wheel? You wake up, you go to work, you come home, you sleep, and then you do it all over again. You trade your precious time, the most valuable thing you have, for a paycheck. This is the reality for most people. It's the classic model of trading hours for dollars. The problem with this model is that it has a built-in ceiling. There are only 24 hours in a day, and you can only work so many of them. This system, taught from a young age, limits your earning potential and by extension, your freedom. It's a trap that keeps you dependent on your next paycheck. This trade-off feels secure at first. Steady income benefits, a sense of stability. What happens when you want to take a vacation? Your income stops. What if you get sick and can't work? Your income stops. What if you simply want to spend more time with your family or pursue a passion that doesn't pay the bills? You can't because you are chained to the clock. This dependency creates a subtle but constant state of anxiety. So what is this magical concept called passive income? Let's get one thing straight right away. It's not about getting something for nothing. It's not about money falling from the sky while you sit on a beach doing absolutely zero work. That's a lottery ticket, not a financial strategy. Passive income is money you earn from an asset you've created or invested in. It requires minimal ongoing effort to maintain. The key is separating your time from your income. You put in the work up front, sometimes a lot, to build or acquire an asset. Then that asset generates money long after the initial effort. Imagine you're a farmer. Traditional job, you show up every day and pick apples from someone else's orchard. You pick apples 8 hours, you get paid 8 hours. If you don't show up, you don't get paid. Passive route, you plant your own apple tree. You have to water it, you have to nurture it, you have to protect it. Once mature, the tree produces apples every year, whether you watch or not. You collect and sell the apples with very little extra labor. The tree is your asset. The apples are passive income. Active income, you work for money. You are the engine. If you stop running, the car stops moving. Passive income, your money or asset works for you. You build the engine, then it runs on its own, needing little maintenance. Examples: interest on savings, rent from a property, royalties from a book, ad revenue from a YouTube channel. Initial work is done, rewards keep coming. You can't work more than 24 hours a day, but you can own unlimited income-generating assets. Why should you even care about passive income? The answer is simple: it buys you freedom. Financial freedom isn't about being ridiculously rich or owning a fleet of luxury cars, though that can be a byproduct. At its core, financial freedom is about having choices. It's the ability to wake up in the morning and decide what you want to do with your day without being forced into a decision by the need to earn a paycheck. It's the freedom to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, travel the world, take a day off to relax without worrying about your bank account balance shrinking. Beyond freedom, passive income provides an incredible layer of financial security. Job stability is becoming a thing of the past. Relying on one income is risky. What if your company downsizes? What if your industry gets disrupted by new technology? Multiple passive income streams build a financial safety net. If one stream slows or disappears, others support you, like multiple legs on a table instead of one. A one-legged table is wobbly and can be knocked over easily. A four-legged table is stable and can withstand bumps. This security changes your relationship with work. You can negotiate for better terms, take on projects you enjoy, or walk away from a toxic job without fear. The psychological weight that is lifted is immense. Passive income makes that choice possible. It's not just a financial strategy, a life strategy. All right, let's get practical. Building passive income sounds great in theory. But how do you actually start? It can feel overwhelming, like trying to climb a massive mountain without a map. The process can be broken down into simple, manageable steps. You don't need to be a financial genius or have a ton of money to begin. You just need a clear plan and the discipline to follow it. The journey begins with a single, intentional step. This blueprint is your map to financial freedom. The very first step is to get your financial house in order. Create a budget to see where your money goes. Cut unnecessary expenses. Every dollar you save can be invested. This is the foundation. Pay down high-interest debt like credit cards. That debt is negative passive income. Once cash flow is under control, build your investing war chest. Next, educate yourself. Don't build without the manual. Read books, watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts. Follow people who have built the life you want. Learn about stock market investing. Learn about real estate. Learn about digital products. Explore other avenues like side hustles. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Finally, start small. Aim to earn your first dollar of passive income. Step 1. Find your niche and plant your seed. The journey to passive income begins with a single decision, choosing where to plant your first seed. Find a path that aligns with your current resources, your skills, and your interests. There are countless ways to generate passive income, and it's easy to get paralyzed by the options. Don't just chase what seems most profitable, choose something you can actually stick with for the long haul. Your first venture should be your learning ground, a place to make mistakes on a small scale and build confidence. Let's explore a few practical and beginner-friendly ideas that almost anyone can start with. One of the most accessible starting points is investing in the stock market, specifically dividend-paying stocks or low-cost index funds. When you buy a dividend stock, you're buying a tiny piece of a company that may pay you a portion of its profits. That company may pay you, typically every quarter. Index funds allow you to own a small slice of the entire market. With apps like Robinhood, M-Pesa, or Fidelity, you can start with as little as $1. You can set up automatic investments so a small amount is invested every week or month. This is really the definition of passive. You just set it and forget it. Another powerful avenue is creating and selling digital products. You could sell a simple digital planner on Etsy or upload photos to stock sites. If you code, design, or play guitar, create a short ebook or mini video course. After creation, you can sell it infinitely with almost zero additional effort, creating 24/7 income. Finally, consider leveraging assets you already own, peer-to-peer rental platforms, spare room on Airbnb, car on Turo, camera equipment or power tools. Monetize what you already paid for. It requires little upfront capital and is a fantastic way to dip your toes into passive income and see immediate results. Once you've chosen your path and planted your seed, the next phase is all about building the machine that will make it grow. This is the active part of creating passive income. It's where you put in the time, effort, and focus to turn your idea into an income-producing asset. This phase really requires patience and persistence. Your machine won't be perfect overnight. It will need to be tinkered with, adjusted, and improved. But every hour you invest here is an investment in your future freedom. Building a system that will eventually run without your constant supervision is the goal. If you've chosen investing, build a consistent investment habit. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your brokerage every payday. Even $25 or $50 to start matters. Enable dividend reinvestment plans. DRIPs create a powerful compounding effect where your money starts earning money. If creating a digital product, this phase is the creation process. Write the ebook, record the video lessons, design the planner. Your product doesn't need to be perfect, but it must solve a real problem for your audience. Set up the sales system, a simple sales page and payment processor on Gumroad or Etsy. Aim for fully automated delivery with zero manual intervention. For rentals, optimize your listing. Take professional photos and write a compelling description. Install smart locks and hire a cleaning crew to handle turnover. Create systems so you can remove yourself from day-to-day operations. This is how you scale. Use cash flow from your first asset to fund the next, hire managers or virtual assistants, and turn active work into passive ownership. You've planted the seed and built the initial machine. Now comes the most exciting part: automation and scaling. Automation is about using technology to handle the work for you. Scaling is reinvesting profits to expand reach and multiply earnings. This is how you go from a few extra dollars to substantial, life-changing wealth. If you set up automatic investments in DRIPs, automation is built in. Scaling comes from increasing contributions over time. Start small, then scale to $100, $200. Consistency accelerates compounding. Compounding is the snowball effect. Your money starts earning more money. Think of it as adding fuel to your engine. The more you add, the faster and farther it goes. For digital products, automation can be taken further with email sequences, cross-sells, and testimonial gathering. Create evergreen content, blog posts, YouTube videos, or tutorials that drive traffic for years. Reinvest a small portion of profits into targeted ads to bring new customers on autopilot. For rentals, use profits from one property as a down payment for the next. Hire property managers or virtual assistants to remove yourself from operations. This makes the income stream almost completely passive. One property becomes two, then a portfolio. Reinvest cash flow to expand steadily. Turn active management into passive ownership, and watch your machine compound into life-changing income. Sometimes the best motivation comes from seeing that other people just like you, have done it before. It makes the goal feel real and attainable. These aren't tales of overnight millionaires, but regular people who took small, consistent steps. They started with little to no experience. They faced challenges, and ultimately succeeded through persistence. Sarah, a teacher, loved her job but was stressed about finances and student loans. She was a fantastic lesson planner. During summer, she spent about 80 hours creating a bundle of her best science lesson plans and worksheets. She listed the bundle for $20. Her first month she made $60. Proof the system worked. She spent weekends creating more resources and grew a product portfolio over 2 years. Today her store averages $1,500 per month. She hasn't created a new product in over a year, yet sales continue. That income allowed her to pay off student loans and travel without financial stress. Mike, an IT worker afraid of stock volatility, chose real estate crowdfunding with $500 minimums. He invested $1,000 in a renovation project. The first year was quiet, then quarterly distributions began. His first payment was $20, tiny but passive. He then invested $200 monthly into diversified projects. 5 years later he has $25,000 invested and roughly $180 per month in passive income, enough to cover small expenses and give peace of mind. Their stories prove you don't need to be special. You just need to start and persist. Small wins compound into meaningful income. Take your first step today. The journey begins with action. We've talked about the trap of trading time for money. We've defined passive income and explored why it's the key to freedom and security. We've laid out a simple 3-step blueprint to get started. We looked at real-world examples and heard inspiring stories from people who made it happen. Now all of that information is worthless without one final ingredient: action. Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. The biggest thing separating you from financial freedom is not money, time, or a brilliant idea. It's taking that very first step. Your first step doesn't need to be perfect. Start small, start messy, just start. It could be opening a high-yield savings account and setting up a $10 automatic transfer, or spending 30 minutes tonight watching a video about index fund investing. Brainstorm skills you could turn into a product. The size of the step doesn't matter, direction does. Choose one small, tangible action and do it immediately. Don't put it off until tomorrow. The momentum from one small action fuels the next. Small wins stack into meaningful gains. This is your moment. The revolution of passive income isn't just for gurus, it's for you. Your journey to earning while you sleep starts now. What is your first step going to be? Will you download a budgeting app, open a brokerage account, write the first page of your ebook, make a commitment and do it now? Take the step.